Hi guys, it's me Sid. Welcome to my new studio / my room. So I just want to tell you guys that I finally have my own place to film and a place where I can display my sneakers, so I can show you guys what I have in my collection right now. Anyways, for today's video, I'm gonna tell you guys my new studio and what I got from Lazada's 11/11 sale. So without further ado, let us get to the video. You guys may have been wondering why in my previous videos I don't really have like a specific place to film. I just want to tell you guys that I finally have my own place, and this right here is my new studio, and basically it's my room. There was this major renovation going on in my house a few months ago, and it just so happened that my room was the first to be renovated. I took the chance to ask the architect or the person who has the blueprint to put like a sneaker wall. So there's a sneaker wall here now in my room, so where I can put my shoes and use as my background for my YouTube channel. So I have my own studio and I can film in one place without being interrupted, and having to not ask people to stay out of the living room so I can film there or something, or film somewhere else, because it's gonna take a lot of time and effort. And if I can just have it in my own room, I could save time and save effort. So yeah, continuing to the next part of the video, what I got from Lazada's 11/11 sale. This is major event, the 11/11 sale. So a ton of companies and other brands and labels, they did the 11/11 sale too, so including Lazada. So if you guys are familiar with Lazada, it's like an online marketplace where you can buy basically anything you want to find. There's a lot of cool stuff you can find at Lazada, and fortunately for me, during the 11/11 sale, I noticed that Herschel is now part of Lazada, or if I may be correct, they're part of the Laz Mall. So basically, Lazada's online mall. So just same thing. Herschel has a huge variety of discounted bags, wallets, and whatnot. So I tried looking at the bags they have for sale. Unfortunately, I didn't get the one that I like, which is the black bag 22L something. I think it's like the size of the bag. I'm not sure if it's the medium size, but unfortunately I didn't get it. So it was a bummer for me, but I just kept on searching and I ended up buying this one. This one right here. So as you can see, it has this Herschel Supply Company branding at the back of the plastic cover. And the good thing is it's kind of like a Ziploc, so you can put it in or put it out if you want, so anytime. So here it is. I got the bag. Basically it's just a minimalistic bag, color blue and gray, and if you look at the inside, it has a contrast, a red striped print inside. So for me, I think it's a pretty good deal. It was originally being sold for 4,000 pesos, and during Lazada's 11/11 sale, it was being sold now for 2.7 thousand pesos. And just at the nick of time, Globe texted me saying that I have an additional 12% off if I buy anything from Lazada. So I just have to use this promo code, and I enter that from the voucher thing you can see before you get to buy the item. I got the extra 12% off, so instead of getting it for 2.7 thousand, I got it for 2.5 or 2.4 thousand pesos. So it's still a good deal. At least instead of buying at 2.7, I bought it for 2.4, right? So there's like 300 pesos off. So yep, there you have it. It's a pretty good bag. Everyday use, maybe for school, maybe if I want to replace my Adidas bag with this one, I'll be very happy. So, oh, and if you order from Herschel, get this paper indicating your order and how much you bought it for. So here it is, the description. You have the Herschel Supply Company Heritage 21.5 liters 600D polyester backpack. So quantity 1, obviously. See here, here's the price that I paid for, which is 2,457.84 cents. And the total paid price without the discount, 2,793. So yeah, almost 400 pesos off, which is a pretty good deal for me. So yeah, here's the paper. If you guys don't trust me or anything, here's the proof that you need that I got the bag for a lesser price. And the next item that I bought from the 11/11 sale is the one I am using right now, which is the lighting. And I forgot to tell you that a while ago. One of the reasons why I haven't been uploading videos since my last upload, which is a short haul. By the way, if you guys haven't seen that, please do check it out. The link is in the description down below. So one of the many reasons why I haven't been uploading videos is I didn't have the right lighting. So I thought of buying a lighting equipment from Lazada, and I ended up getting this one, the LED video lighting. It even has this color temperature. I don't know what that is, but if you I'm gonna show you guys next time what the lighting equipment or the LED light that I bought from Lazada looks like and how it functions. It runs on 4 AA batteries, but you can use like a constant, like it has to be plugged. You need like an Android cable, and it has to be, it's like you're charging it, but it's not being charged. It just needs like a direct supply of electricity or something to make it run. So which is better than buying 4 AA batteries, which is very expensive considering the the cost of batteries increasing. So yeah, that's all that I got from Lazada's 11/11 sale. So again, I can't remove the lighting because I'm using it, so I'm just gonna use the box and again the bag. So a tip for you guys, if you want to buy products that are less expensive and you're not really willing to pay the price it's being sold for, you just wait for any sales that Lazada might consider doing. Like sometimes they have this surprise sale, they always have this flash sale, so they always have some products that are on sale. Like sometimes you never expect like something you're looking for is actually on sale. Keep on checking out Lazada, maybe what you're finding for is in there. And in Filipino, kung makachamba ka, edi good for you kasi mahirap makachempo ng gamit na gusto mong hanapin. Sometimes it just strikes out on your luck. So again, check out for any sale from Lazada, or if you're not into Lazada, or if you're in Shopee or maybe in Zalora for clothes or whatnot, just keep on looking for their sales or whatever discounted items they're selling for. So that's it for today's video. Well, for this episode, I will be reviewing 5 sneakers for today, and I'm just hoping that I will be able to upload 5 of them in 1 week. So that's it for this episode. I have nothing else to show you from my Lazada sale, so I guess I'll see you on the next video.